morning, ladies and gentlemen present today. Uh, Thank you very much and a very warm welcome for attending the press meet of Solarworld Energy Solutions Limited today, which is one of the India's leading EPC company focused on solar projects. I would like to thank you on behalf of Solarworld and the lead managers for taking out your precious time to attend this meet. It makes me extremely proud to bring to you Solarworld, a bootstrap company that started off with minimum capital in the year 2013 that has become one of India's leading solar EPC company with a revenue of more than 500 crore in financial year 25. Solarworld is a brainchild of Mr. Kartik Telatia, who is a qualified chartered accountant and MBA from Indian School of Business and a first generation entrepreneur. With minimum capital, he has successfully executed his first solar project in the year 2014. Since then, the company has emerged as one of India's leading solar EPC player with a strong track record of executing projects both for public sector and private companies. Leveraging its expertise in the solar EPC business, SolarWorld has been able to successfully backward integrate into module manufacturing, and through the IPO proceeds, the company plans to further backward integrate into cell manufacturing. This will enable it to capture the strong industry tailwinds and also help in executing EPC projects and supplying modules to external customers. The company has been recently successfully able to raise funds to pre-IPO transaction to a marquee investor, which is a testament to promoters' vision and strong execution capabilities. The company, under the leadership of Mr. Kartik Telatia, who is the managing director of the company as well as promoter, and Mr. Rishabh Jain, who is a whole-time director and promoter in the company, has achieved strong growth and consistently demonstrated highest standards of corporate governance since its inception. With the performance already delivered in the past and visible opportunity ahead, SolarWorld is well positioned to surpass greater milestones in the near future. The issue provides a unique opportunity to investors to participate in India's massive renewable energy growth story. Now, I would like to bring to your attention the key issue highlights. The IPO is opening on Tuesday, September 23rd and closing on Thursday, September 25th, with the anchor scheduled on Monday, September 22nd. The price band of the issue is between INR 333 to 351 per share, and the size of the IPO is INR 490 crore, which consists of fresh issue of 440 crore and offer for sale of 50 crores by the promoter selling shareholders.
Everybody who's joining us here, I'm from Mumbai. I am Kartik Telatia. I am one of the promoters of Solarworld Energy Solutions, and with me I have Rishabh. Rishabh is also one of the promoters, founders and promoters of Solarworld. We will take you through a small presentation on our company, and then we will open the floor for any questions that you have. So I'm going to skip a few slides and take you through our journey first. So in the year 2013, Rishabh and I started this company. Both of us are chartered accountants. I did my MBA from Indian School of Business, post which we started this company. This company was supposed to be a rooftop solar company until 2019-20. We did remain a rooftop solar company. Most of our projects were done on the rooftops of commercial and industrial buildings. Post-COVID, we saw a lot of space in the ground-mounted utility scale projects. That is when we took our first project from SJVN Limited. SJVN is a PSU. The project was 105 megawatt in Uttar Pradesh. We finished that project on time, and from there on we have been growing very rapidly. We took on 2 more projects, 3 more projects, 4 more projects post that. As on date, our EPC is a very stable business. It is growing organically. We fund the business through our internal accruals, and we are fast becoming one of the topmost EPC companies in India in the solar space. The intention is to create a standardized lab, firstly. Secondly, the lab should be capable of doing and running all kind of tests on solar panels, on solar cells, and hopefully we will be able to do a tie-up with a research institute so that we get better outcomes.
And how many projects currently you have on hand? Like your heavy dependence on SGVN in the initial years.
Yes.
Is okay, but then gradually you said you have moved on.
Ma'am, if you look at the left part of this, If you look at the left, if you look at the left here, you will see that my dependence on SJVN has gone down significantly. If you look at the RHP, there's a breakup of each of these orders that are in hand. You will see that NTPC now forms maybe 40-50% of my order book. So we have diversified into NTPC, RUVNL, GUVNL. In terms of our growth strategies, as we become backward integrated, the private sector also opens up for us to offer turnkey solutions to them.
And how about your team?
Ma'am, my team has grown significantly as our size is increasing. So while our employee ratio to our turnover is the highest, in terms of revenue per employee is the highest,
Okay.
but we are very, very efficient. So we, in terms of strategy, how we strategize next year is, if we are doing 4 projects this year and we're looking to add another project next year, then in the previous year we start hiring people for that project, because solar projects tend to be 11 to 14 months in duration for an EPC company. So there is not really a lot of time after getting the project to start hiring the team. So a good EPC company will always try to build a team first and then bid for a project.